All right, so I've had a lot of responses and replies and inquiries since posting my videos last week about A players versus B players and C players in the job market. And this video is going to be focused towards the job seekers out there, the candidates, those of you that may be unemployed right now, are looking for an opportunity. Maybe you're frustrated, not understanding why companies aren't pushing you further through in the process or even contacting you to initiate dialogue. And what I have seen over the 25 years of doing telecom recruiting and staffing is you're acting desperate, okay? For those of you that are posting your resumes on job boards, I would urge you to use caution. And I say this because most good recruiters nowadays don't go on job boards anymore. They're calling into reputable companies. They're cultivating relationships with the A players, the people that have been there for 5+ years, that are meeting and exceeding company objectives. Those are the candidates that we want to present to our clients right now. I compare it to dating, okay? If you walked into a bar or a restaurant and you were looking for your next soulmate, you wouldn't put a name tag on that said, "Hey, my name's Bob, I'm desperate for a date and I'm single, and hey, please talk to me." Okay, so when you put that status on your LinkedIn profile that you're open to opportunities, you're basically that guy walking into a bar being desperate. Stop doing it. All right, that's the first step. And what I would urge you to do is to network your tail off right now with people that are reputable in your industry, that are influencers. Do something kind for them without expecting anything in return. And this will yield you results. It'll build your reputation. And when you do land your next opportunity, stay there. Be a loyal employee. Give it all you have. Stop complaining. Block out the static and the noise and the negativity that other employees will bring to you. I guarantee it. Keep your head down, work your ass off, and stay there for several years, and you will then become an A player.